So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back in my channel guys. This video is gonna be very important for all of the advanced learner, for all of the beginner, everyone. I just take the guarantee to make your speaking like advanced. Now in this video I will tell you a very important thing, that how to make sentences while speaking. Yes, this is a very popular problem also, but today you are gonna get the solution. That in while speaking, like I'm making video, it is not like this thing. If I do any mistake, I will just pause it, then I will solve my mistake. But while speaking to someone, what you will do, you can't say that, hey man, just pause here, I just do a mistake. So this thing I just will tell to everyone, that if you wanna just make more and more sentence with speaking, or if you are just facing some problems to make sentence, you can't make the sentences with speaking something, then I will give you the solution. There is a very one important solution. The solution is this environment. Yes guys, not the environment, but God gives us everything, and also a precious thing like the environment. There are uncountable things out there. There are uncountable trees, uncountable water, like there water, and also animals, human beings, car, bikes, everything. So guys, I will give you advice that take any natural things from the environment, like this tree. You can see this is a very beautiful tree, and then just make a few sentences about the tree in your copy with a pen. Like this tree is very beautiful, the branches spread like very good, and also all of the leaves are different kind of leaves, all of the leaves color is just green. Like this simple small sentences in your mother tongue first. Yes guys, in your mother tongue, and then when you will just convert in English, then it will be very great. Do the same activity with a number of things like tree, light, sky, stars, the sun, the moon, everything. Then I just guarantee your power will develop automatically. The power to make sentence, to create own sentence while speaking. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Please guys, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Please, bye bye.